What's up everyone, KSG Vlogs here. As you can see, we are in my garage and we're doing another garage door video. As you can see, it is extremely bright in here as I changed the new light bulb, which is the lights that we turn on as always. And then I'm going to change the other one. There's two fixtures. This one has two light bulbs. And I'm going to change the divider because one of the whole haps is gone on it and it's not safe. Well, actually, both haps are gone. Well, that fixture's been up for, I don't know how long, maybe the whole time the house was here. But anyways, let me show you the divider. Got the springs here. I'll open it in a second. You can just skip to whatever. Got the emergency release rope right here. You got the belt drive opener right here. Got the two light covers under this one. You got the 4 settings, the sensor wires, and the alarm button, as well as a light bulb. Yeah, that's just taking too much time. Oh, close it. Oh. There we go. And this one on the other side actually has the battery backup and a light bulb inside of it. So both sides have one thing. Or a couple things actually, rather. We got the plug right here. Not the plug, the cord. And we got the other spring right there. And let's just open it. It's slamming again, by the way. Yeah. Well, actually, I should say it's still slamming because I've done a lot of garage door videos. And it's starting to slam. And I don't know when our new one's coming, but I hope it comes soon because I'm sick of this garage door. Sick of it. It's ugly. It's just, I can't deal with it. Found some history. This is the first garage door that's been installed with our house, but that's the second opener. The last one burnt out because of natural causes, because it was so old. Because it was installed after the house was built, and it was from like the 1960s or something. I don't remember what the name of it. It was probably something around like Access Master or something, maybe Lift Master. I don't know. But it was I don't know what kind it was. I don't know if it was a belt drive, a screw drive, or even a chain drive. It was probably chain drive, but. We'll just say it's gone. We'll not deal with that. Oh, well, that's the light thing. Oh, that was a jump right there. Only a little bit slack. It's not too bad, but it drips down when it's like. It drips down like, I don't know, maybe like right here. I hate this square grill. I really do. I don't like it, and I don't know how there's still a little bit of slack in that. I don't. But as always, we'll open it a second time. Watch it slam. Actually, might not. Nope, it is. Yep. And Got this one right here, jiggling. And we also got the other one jiggling even more. For some reason, this one doesn't go as much as the other one. Yeah. Got the other side of the rail right here. We got the cable over here too. The track has a lot of grease on it. Has a handle, a lock right here that doesn't do anything. This, that doesn't do anything. Got some sort of chain right here. There we go. Oh, we'll test the sensors. As usual. Yep. Yep, it's working as usual. I would do a force test, but it's just... I'm tired, I'm just too weak right now. It's 9... It just hit 9 right now. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. That was a jump. The slack happens right there. I don't know why. I tightened it as much as I can, and it's still dripping lower than I used to. Well, actually, I don't remember the last. I don't know when it started. Probably like a year ago or two. This opener's kind of old. It's 5 years old. Yeah. Well, actually, about 5 years old. Yeah. Yeah. Probably CD installment. August 2015, yeah, 5 years ago. So, 5 years old, still working nice. All I don't like is the slack and then the jump that happens right there. And then we need to get a battery back up because it just doesn't work in a power outage. I don't think it ever has. Well, actually it has, but the battery is just shot. It's completely shorted. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's probably not worth fixing. We'll just say as that. And anyways, like, subscribe, share, make sure the bell is ringing for more videos, just whatever. Weather videos, garage door videos. I might bring back vacuum videos, but it's just not in my type of videos anymore. When I started doing the IntelliStars and stuff, and like the weather scans, the weatherscan.apps and the IS2s and stuff, and the IntelliStars and Local 98s and Weather Channel and stuff, just hasn't, the vacuum videos just hasn't gotten to me. Oh, thank you for 7 likes on my first weather video, on my first Local 98. And for my first vacuum video, well, roughly the same video, or the first video on my channel, it got, I think it was 5 likes, yeah, 5 likes and 300, almost 400 views, thanks, dang. It was kind of cool. It's cool that I started a YouTube channel, and it's kind of fun. It's still really fun. It's kind of gone boring over the months, but that's not good. It's snowing outside, and well, it used to be snowing, but we got a snow squall that came over. It's just a nice line that came through. Go watch my last video on the IntelliStar for Elgin, I think it was, Illinois. And it was, I already got 2 likes and 8 views on it, so that's pretty good. But yeah. The last vacuum video, I got 178 views. I got like, I think 70 in like one day. It was amazing. And I also found out that 90% of you are not subscribed to my channel who are watching my channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Please. Just do it. It takes 2 clicks. One subscribe, post notifications. You don't need post notifications, honestly. Well, actually, it's good for other YouTubers, but for me, it just doesn't seem like I need it. But anyways, like, subscribe, share, make sure the bell is ringing. Well, I kind of do care about the bell, but it's just whatever. Maybe I'll do an explaining video after this, explaining about my YouTube channel and stuff, because it's already 11 minutes and we'll open it one more time, just for the fun of it. Okay, I think it's getting angry at me. Because it's slamming harder and harder every time. Turn out the lights. Turn out the lights. Oops, not that light. Okay, that's enough for now. Okay. Like, subscribe, share, and then share, make sure the bell is dinging, and goodbye.